Hello, awesome people. We are here to figure out how to connect our smartphone to our microphone using this cord, the SC7. Let's get into this. What you need is this cord right here. Is the SC7, and it's in the link below. Now, some more information. Hello friends, I'm Benjamin, and let's get right into this. We're trying to figure out how to connect our Rode Wireless Go to our cell phone. And in the package, they don't give you this cord, which you have to purchase, which I've put the link for the purchase below. It's a cord that has got 3 little lines across that. Blink, blink, blink. Now this is how to put it together. You take your Rode Wireless Go, and this plugs into your phone. You have to plug in your TRS, which is your tip ring sleeve. Right there. Cha-ching. Okay, and then you take the other one, make sure they're on, put that on your shirt. You can hide it, you can stick it in your hair, you can put it on your ear. Yes. That's just easier. To really love a woman. It hurts if you put it on your ear. Okay, here is the Rode Wireless Go. And this is the thing that hooks to your shirt, the other side of it. It works up to 70 yards away. Here are the specs about it. It does this, it does that. Those things, and here's the reviews on it. When you get your new cord, one's got, one side of it is 2 and one side of it is a 3. And the 2 side goes into your, that one, la la la, it is reading something. Very good, okay. And then this plug goes into your phone. I'm gonna plug it in right now. You can see what it sounds like. So now this is the sound now with the Rode Wireless Go. Because I know her heart. She's beautiful. A little puff screen. So yeah, let's put your little puff screen on your microphone section. Little clips right in, clipping in, and there it is. Hello. So that's what it sounds like. It's a windy day, and it sounds perfectly fine. If you want to have fun and work music with people, there are some tools you're going to need, and let's make that happen. Of course, the link is below this stuff. Below this stuff. In the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these interesting products. It helps the channel and it helps me expand what I love to do, which is share music with people. And video editing, I really loved that as well. And bringing great stuff to the world. So with a green screen, you can put stuff like this on the wall. Or you can put stuff like this on the wall. I got this green screen from Amazon for $20. Boom. Just, you know, I do have to say I have stands that go along with it. And as you can see, I have these on-stage stands that I use for my amplifiers. But when I'm not using my amplifiers, I can use them for my green screen with these simple clips that I got from the hardware store. Of course, you can purchase all this stuff below so you can put your production together. There's just so many details, and I understand. And a portion of that goes back to my house and my family. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. If you learned something and had a good time, feel free to subscribe and hit that bell.